Good morning, students. Students, in our today's class, as you know, we are doing chapter 13. In chapter 13, students, we read about mensuration. It means perimeter and area of different shapes. So, students, here in previous class, we have started exercise 13.1 and we have done question 1 to 5. And today, students, we will start with question number 6, and today only, students, we will finish exercise 13.1. So, students, your question number 6 is a swimming pool 55-meter long and 35-meter broad has an iron rod all around it. It means, student, this is the swimming pool and it is having iron rod all around it. Students, all around it means the length of the iron rod, okay, will be the perimeter of the given shape. And this is 55-meter long and 35-meter broad. So, sides are different. It is length, it is breadth. So, it is in the shape of rectangle. And students, an iron rod all around it. And they are saying find the cost of the rod at the rate of rupees 70 per meter. So, student, first of all, we will find length of the rod, and length of the rod will be equals to perimeter of the swimming pool, and perimeter of the swimming pool will be perimeter of rectangle. Okay, students, and afterwards, students, we can find rate by multiplying rupees 70 per meter. Students, now length of pool 55 meter, breadth of pool is equals to 35 meter. Now length of iron rod will be equal perimeter of the pool, and students, pool was in the shape of rectangle. So the perimeter of rectangle, you know, 2 multiply length plus breadth. So here, student, the value of length is 55 meter. The value of breadth is 35 meter. First of all, we will add 55 and 35, students. It will be 90 meter, and 2 multiplied by 90, students, it will be 180 meter. So length of iron rod is equals to 180 meter. Students, now we are to find out the cost of total rod, and the cost total rod is 180 meter, and the rate of per meter means, students, 1 meter. 1 meter per meter means, student, 1 meter rod, the rate of 1 meter rod is 70 rupees. So the rate of 180 meter rod will be 180 multiplied by 70. So student, cost of 1 meter rod is equal to rupees 70. So cost of 180 meter rod will be rupees 180 multiplied by 70. And students, when you will multiply both the values, you will get rupees 12,600. Okay, students. So this is the rate of the rod used in the swimming pool. Students, now after question number 6, I am taking question number 7. That is, Ketan made 5 rounds of a square park whose one side is 150 meter on a bicycle. Students, here Ketan made 5 rounds, okay, on bicycle of a square park. So students, suppose this is a square park and it is having one side is 150 meter, and you know, students, in a square all the sides are equal. So in this square park, if when one side is 150 meter, it means this side and this side, all sides are equal. It means all are for 150 meter. He took 5 rounds, students. So as you know, when he took one round will be equal the perimeter of the given square. Suppose he will start from this point and he will take one round. So students, one round means around the boundary, and around the boundary means, students, means perimeter. Okay, students, and he is saying he took 30 minutes for it. Completing 5 rounds, he took 30 minutes. What was the speed of the bicycle? So first of all, students, we are to find here speed. For speed, two quantities you need. First is distance and second is time. Time is given, but we don't have distance, and distance we will find with the help of perimeter of square. Now students, side of a square park is equals to 150 meter. One round around park is equals to perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. So 4 multiplied by side is 150 meter. It will be students 600 meter. So students, Ketan covered distance 600 meter in one round. In only one round. Now he will cover distance in 5 round, will be 600 multiplied by 5. It will be 3000. Now students, Ketan made 5 rounds. So distance covered by Ketan in 5 rounds will be 600 meter multiplied by 5. It will be 3000 meter. Now student, distance we are having and time also we are having 30 minutes. And they are saying we are to find out the speed. So student, speed will be distance upon time. Student, distance is 3000 meter and time is given 30 minutes. Okay students, when you will solve both of them, 1 0 cut with the 1 0, 3 ones are 3, so you will get 100 meter per minute. 100 meter per minute will be the speed of Ketan. So students, like this we have done question number 7. For this, first of all, we calculated distance covered in one round. Then we calculated distance covered in 5 round. Then speed. We use formula of speed, that is distance upon time. Okay students. Now next question. Now students, question number 10. Student, this is very interesting question. From a rectangular glass slab 2 meter by 3.5 meter. So this is students, rectangular glass slab is given, which is having length 3.5 meter and breadth 2 meter. A square of maximum size has been cut. From this glass slab students, we are to cut a square of maximum size. What will be the shape and size of the leftover glass? After cutting square, the glass will be left. Then they are asking what will be the shape and size of that leftover glass. It means जो बचा हुआ glass है उसका shape and size क्या होगा? Okay students, so here this is the rectangular glass slab. Now I am to cut a square from this. So students, if I will cut like this, suppose students, if I will cut like this is I have cutted. So student, you can see this is not a square. If I will cut this horizontally, then this is not a square, because this is 3.5, it will be 3.5. This is 2, this will be 2. So students, this will be only rectangle. So students, here I will cut vertically. So students, here I will cut like this. I have cutted a square. Now student, this is 2 meter, this will be 2 meter. From here also I have cutted 2 meter and this is also 2 meter. All sides are equal, it means this is a square. Now what is remaining here? Out of 3.5 I have cutted 2 meter, then here only 1.5 meter is remaining. This is 2 meter and this is also 1.5 meter. And again this is 2 meter. Now student, this is a square. So they are saying what will be the shape and size of the leftover glass, and this is the leftover glass, and this is the square. This is what is square, and this is the leftover glass. So this leftover glass, you can see this is the having 1.5, 1.5, 2 meter, 2 meter. Opposite sides are same. So the leftover shape is rectangle. It is the rectangle. Okay student, here A, B, C, D was complete glass slab, and from here E, C, B, F I have cutted the square. So this is the remaining part D, E, F, A, and this remaining part is rectangle in shape. Now students, you can write A, B, C, D is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle in shape. Of length 3.5 and breadth 2 meter. Now from ABCD, a square ECBF. This ECBF is cut off side 2 meter. Now remaining shape means student this one shape. Remaining shape means DEFA. DEFA is rectangle of length is 2 meter and breadth is 1.5 meter. Now students, in this question number 10, at last they are saying, what they are saying, they are smoothing these rectangular glass slab, they are smoothing means students, from here they are doing rounded the corner, they will round this, they will convert this in rounded shape, they will smooth this. Okay, now they are asking the cost of the smoothing. Okay, the cost of the smoothing, if the cost of 1 meter of smoothing is rupees 25, so what is the cost of the smoothing of total rectangular glass slab? So students, the total rectangular glass slab, if we will smooth at the rate of rupees 25, so first of all we have to calculate the perimeter of this rectangular, then afterwards by that perimeter we can multiply by 25. Now students, first of all we will count perimeter of ABCD glass slab. So it will be 2 multiply length plus breadth. The value of length is 3.5 and the value of length breadth is 2 meter. When you will add, it will be 5.5 meter, and when you will multiply, it will be 11.0 meter. Now student, they are saying the cost of 1 meter, when you will smooth only 1 meter, when you will smooth, the cost is rupees 25. Then what will be the length, what will be the cost to smoothing complete ABCD? Complete ABCD means 11 meter. So what we will do, we will multiply 25 and 11 meter. So students, we can write cost of smoothing, it's A's. A's means student only this one. Smoothing is is rupees 25 per meter. A's means AB, BC, CD and DA. We are smoothing. Smoothing means we are doing we are just doing round in shape. Means plain karna. Okay student. So the smoothing cost is rupees 25 per meter, but the total length is 11 meter. So the cost of smoothing of 11 meter will be rupees 25 multiplied by 11. It will be rupees 375. So like this student, this question number 10 we have completed in two parts. Now students, question number 11. Students, now question number 11 is, a park of 80 meter by 65 meter has a 3 meter wide track all around it. It means students, we are having one park. This is a park in rectangular shape. This is 80 meter long and 65 meter wide, and it is having 3 meter wide track all around it. So students, from here 3 meter, from here also 3 meter, from here also 3 meter, and from here also 3 meter wide track it is having. 3 meter wide track students, it is having all around it. Now students, as you can see, this is the length 80 meter. This is the length 65 meter, but without track. Suppose if you will add this track, then the length will be, you will add 3 meter from here and 3 meter from here. It will be 86. This is 65 without track. But when you will add the track, from here also 3 meter, from here 3 meter you will add. Then it will be 65 plus 6, 71. Now they are saying a wall has been constructed around the track, leaving a shape of a gate 2 meter. From here students, they have constructed a wall around it. Okay students. Now but they have left space of 2 meter. From here 2 meter space they have left for the gate. So students, you can see here I have made the space for gate 2 meter. Now student, they are saying what is the length of outer boundary leaving the gate which has a wall? Outer boundary length we are to find. And students, the length of the outer boundary will be the length of the outer wall. Okay students, so here I can give the name. Here I am giving A, B, C and D. Outer boundary I am giving the name, and this is E, F, G, H. I am giving name of inner boundary. Now they are asking length of the outer boundary. Students, this is the shape of the rectangle. So the length of the outer boundary will be the perimeter of the rectangle, outer rectangle. Outer rectangle is A, B, C and D. So first of all, length of outer means the length of AB. Length of AB means, student, this is 80 meter. From here 3 meter added, and from here 3 meter added. So length of AB, students, will be 80 plus 6 meter. It will be, students, 86 meter. Now the length of this CB, the length of CB will be 65 meter plus 6 meter. It will be 71 meter. Because, students, from this is only 65. 65 means this much only, and BC means 3 meter from here and 3 meter from there. So 6 meter you will add, and in 80 also 3 meter from here and 3 meter from here you will add. So this length will be 86 meter and this length will be 71 meter. Now the perimeter of ABCD. Now, students, the length of the outer boundary will be perimeter of ABCD minus 2 meter, because, students, here there is no wall, because there is the entrance of the gate, so we are to minus this 2 meter. So what will be the perimeter? 2 multiply length plus breadth minus 2 meter. Now length is 86 and breadth is 71. We will write the value and we will count. Students, now we have written the value of length and breadth. 86 plus 71, it will be 157 multiplied by 2. When you will multiply, it will be 314 minus 2 meter. So the length of outer boundary, students, it will be 312 meter. Now next one, students, find the perimeter of park without track. Without track means, student, this one, E, F, this G and H. We are to find the length of this outer park without track. It means inner side EFGH. So again we will write this formula, 2 multiply length plus breadth, but here the value of length will be 80 and the value of length will be 65. Students, now the value of EF is equals to 80 meter and the value of FG is equals to 65 meter. So perimeter of park without track is equals to perimeter of this EFGH. It will be 2 multiply length plus breadth, 2. The value of length is 80. The value of breadth is 65. When you will solve, the student, this, you will get answer 290. Now students, last question of today's class, question number 12. Now students, question number 12 you can do by yourself. This is the entrance gate of the celebration hall has been decorated by putting square blocks and illumination has been done on the boundary. Students, you can see this is the entrance gate and here you can see this is the boundary. Here lighting has done. Now if the square blocks, and you can see these are the square blocks. This is the 1 square block, 2, 3, 4 have a side of 1 meter. So student, you can see this is this one students, this one side is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Okay students, so find the length of electric wire to be used for illuminating. So students, you can see the electric wire here, double outer boundary is having electric wire and inner boundary also having electric wire, and you are to find the length of the electric wire. So students, you will count like 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, like total you will add like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. Students, you are to first count outer boundary, this one, then inner boundary you will count, and students, your answer should be 66 meter. So this students, this question, students, you can do in your book only, need not to do in copy. Okay students. So now students, in our today's class we have done exercise 13.1, we have completed. Now in next class we will start exercise 13.2. Okay students, have a nice day and thank you.